Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you stop a zombie outbreak on Worldbox? So first and foremost, let's build a civilization here. Give them as much resources as time goes along. Okay. We're doing this the fun way because you could just literally, if there's zombies, you could just literally use the what do you call this one? The divine light, which cures all the diseases, but there's actually a more fun way to do this. So let's first establish let them establish colonies here just to make sure. Okay. This is fast forwarded, by the way, so if you guys are noobs, there's a button here that fast forwards time. Now from single tribe to an entire country right here in a couple of seconds, less than 2 minutes. So a low key, this is the country's king and the emperor is eBay. So eBay, you're ready to take charge to prevent the apocalypse. So to make this fun, let's go ahead and plant the brain things here, the golden brain. If you guys don't know what a golden brain is, it's basically, let's just change the color of the nation first. It's sort of like bland because it's blended in by the trees. That's a more suitable color right here. It's a volcano here, an active one. Okay. Scour here a little bit. Let's just turn this on so we could monitor the zombie infection as time goes along. So let's put the brain things here, the golden brain. This is actually a motivation for zombies to actually go to a specific location that has one of these things. So it's going to be really fun if we put at least 2 of these things here. Here we go. They're popping. Inside here. If you have these, that's basically a death sentence for a nation that is small. Yep, it's starting to snow here. Let's just turn off the snow age here and let's turn it into night so we could have a more suitable theme for our soon to come zombie apocalypse. Civilization's thriving here. It's really good. A lot of soldiers. This will be an ideal place to put our zombie. Here's a little island here. It's a nice place, so it's sort of like a mission for the zombies to get to those 2 golden brains that we just planted. So let's go ahead and click zombie. Plant as many zombies as we could here, so they're actually attacking D-Day style from the oceans right here. I didn't know zombies could swim, but they apparently can on this game right here, which is absolutely fun. I've been playing this game for 2 years now, no lie. Since the first, I've probably been at the first couple of versions. I'm not going to guarantee that I've been there when the game first released, but I was here quite some time. Okay, so still there's green things right here above. That's the actual infection, and it's rapidly approaching the shorelines here. One is stuck in the island though. The other part, you see that green stuff here? They're stuck in the island. So, and the apocalypse has commenced. We have fast forwarded this. I fast forwarded this so that it wouldn't take long to see results. So zombies are attacking on the sides and the ancient glowing trees here. There you go. And yeah, there's no use because the soldiers, there's really no use. Once they get bitten, even though if they survive the encounter, they're still going to turn into zombies once they die. with doesn't matter how they die, whether they die at old age. Once they die, they turn to zombies. So the infection goes on and on and on. So that's what's really hard to prevent. But lucky for us, we have the 18th century plague doctor to the rescue. We want to plant a couple of 18th century's plague doctors here to actually stop the zombies. So those are the actually, here we go. Yeah, they're killing each other here. It's a bloodbath. So there's no way of stopping that unless we plant the plague doctor here. Let's just plant an army of plague doctors here inside. So what they basically do is they basically get rid of infectants. Doesn't matter if it's a zombie virus or it's a flu. We do have a flu here on this game, but in this case this is a zombie virus, so it's going to be a full-out battle between these forces. Man, there's a lot of zombies now. See, without these plague doctors, this country would have been toast in like what, less than 10 years, and probably a lot more lesser than that. So the battle has commenced here. Would you look at that? Plague doctors in the action. There's actually a modern mod and Worldbox, but we'll get that later. So right now, the blood spray. Let's just turn on daylight so that you could get a little bit of clear view in the action here. There we go. There we go. Daylight is approaching and they're still killing each other. The doctors are at work here. So, see the virus here spreading on the side of the island. Let's fast forward this a little bit so we could actually see the progress here. It takes long. It takes hell out of time. So this part of the island is still safe. The king is still safe. There we go. They've successfully neutralized the zombie virus here on the side. I do believe that, yep, all zombies are dead here, but there's a couple of zombies stuck in this island right here. They haven't made it through the entire, but lucky for us, the doctors are here to actually, the plague doctors are actually here to help. So that's it, they've neutralized it. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.